I'll tell you that students sometimes connect a lot with you. Like it happens in a real time frame with me. There was an exam, university examinations were going on, and I was having my family function in my home. So I was not able to receive the phone calls of the students. And though I told them that when you call me, I will be available, students were not aware that I have a family function and I was not able to receive that call. Literally, the student called me after the examination and told me that, ma'am, I was having this query and you were not available at that time and I have to leave this entire question. So you are the person whom to blame. So obviously faculty, see, you can't be a balancing person in the life. Either you have to be on the positive side or you have to be on the negative side. बच्चा आपको बीच में नहीं रखेगा, ठीक है, बैलेंसिंग, या तो बहुत अच्छे टीचर हो या बहुत खराब हो, ओके वाला कोई सीन नहीं है अब. आई बिलीव दैट. आई थिंक यू विल आल्सो एग्री इन योर टाइम. वी आल्सो हैव सीन द सेम टाइम फ्रेम्स. या तो आप बुरे टीचर को याद करते हो एज अ फनी वन, या फिर आप बहुत अच्छे टीचर को याद करते हो फॉर योर लाइफ टाइम मेमोरीज.